How to calculate the present value. Meet Tom. He won the lottery a few weeks ago, and being smart, Tom knows he should invest the money he won. Meanwhile, he has two fixed investments on the table and is thinking about which one he can afford and which one is better in the end. The first offer is $10 million in 5 years and the second $15 million in 15 years. Both have an interest rate of 5%. To help Tom make his decision, we need the present value, which tells us how much the investments are worth today. For this, we require the final amount CN, here 10 and 15 million, the interest rate R of 5%, and the period N, 5 and 15 years. In the formula it looks like this. Present value equal, final amount over 1 plus interest rate to the power of time. Tom sets the values for the first and the second investment. The first investment has a present value of $7.84 million, and the second is $7.22 million worth. Now Tom knows the price for both investments, but which of the two is better? To do this, we calculate the final capital of both minus their present value. With the first investment, we earn $2.16 million in 5 years. With the second investment, Tom gets $7.78 million, but in 15 years. However, in order to compare the two investments, we need the same period. Therefore, we divide the result of the second investment by 3 to see the performance of the investment in 5 years. Investment 2 makes $2.594 million in 5 years and thus brings in $434,000 more in 5 years than the first investment. Tom is happy and invests the $7.22 million. But now he still has a lot of money, and he again has two investments to choose from. The first offers a final capital of $20 million in 10 years and the second offers $30 million in 15 years, both at an interest rate of 12%. Use the formula we presented to help Tom this time as well. Solutions in the video description.